Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oat desserts, full guide. Start by gathering rolled oats, a binder like egg or flax, milk or milk alternative, sweetener, and flavorings. Decide if you want baked bars, no-bake bites, or pudding, then prepare accordingly. Measure wet and dry ingredients separately, combine gently to preserve texture, and adjust sweetness and spice gradually to suit your preference and desired chewiness. In this video, I will show how to make oat desserts, full guide. For baked treats, preheat the oven and press the mixture evenly into the pan for uniform baking. For no-bake recipes, use chilled ingredients and refrigerate until firm to achieve sliceable bars. Test for doneness by checking edges and texture, and allow cooling before cutting to prevent crumbling and to lock in shape and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make oat desserts, full guide. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite makes recipe reading in the kitchen a breeze, no flour-dusted pages. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make oat desserts, full guide. Layer flavors by adding spices, extracts, zests, or cocoa to vary profiles without extra sugar. For creamier textures, blend part of the oats into a flour or use mashed fruit as a binder and sweetener. Experiment with mix-ins like chocolate chips or dried fruit, and test small batches to balance sweetness and moisture before scaling up the recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.